if you're seeing this message as your FYP, this is the message of the universe for you. Alamin natin kung ano yung message nyo ng universe. Okay? So, sabi sa'yo dito, I heal the habit of fear and I embrace the habit of love. So, most likely, you are like good at everything except self-sabotage. Kasi, nakikita ko dito yung word na self-sabotage. Why did I say this? Kasi, you know what? The love of your life is in front of you, or yung matagal mo nang gusto, yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa life mo, nasa iyo na, kaya lang pinakawalan mo pa. Or nakikita ko dito parang, this is like